Hello, friends, my homo brothers. I want to talk to you today about moving past that moment of resistance when we are about to take a step towards our dreams or living our purpose or doing something that's outside of the comfort zone that shame keeps us in. When we are moving towards our dreams, when we are stepping towards our purpose, the voice of opposition within ourselves, whether it's our mom or dad or the bully or there's just the shame that lives within us, it gets really loud and very activated. Sometimes I give the advice to tend to the shame. What's the part of you inside that needs the love and the care? And that's beautiful and often necessary. And then there are moments in which we love ourselves by moving past that resistance anyway, by saying, hey, I see this shame, I see this limitations, I hear all of the voices that are trying to tell me that I'm a piece of shit, or you're going to be disappointed, or no one cares, or whatever. Whatever arises, it gets very loud right when you are about to transform that limiting belief, when you're about to bust through the lie of shame. So please do not take those moments as a sign that there's something wrong with you and that you need to do more internal work before you can express yourself. There's more for you to perfect. That's the lie of shame. I know that there's something within you that is asking to be expressed. That's why you are here. That's why we are here. Because there is something within us that continually wants to grow and evolve and be expressed. When we stagnate, that is when life feels dull, flat, lifeless, because we are not engaged with it. When we are engaged with life, we will continue to bump up against all of the shame stories. We will continue to feel uncomfortable. We will feel like we are reverting to our 5-year-old self, our 12-year-old self, and that those are the parts of ourselves that are asking for us to step forward and do it anyway. I'll tell you that right now, filming this video, I have had moments where I have had to stop because my own shame voice is saying, don't say that. Don't say that. Who are you to tell them that? Who am I? I am the creator. You are the creator. I am infinite. I am an expression of the divine. You are an expression of the divine. Do not forget that, because the shame voice would get so loud to keep you from remembering that, because it would mean that you're busting all of those limitations and that it doesn't rule you anymore. You are not a small, limited self. You are expansive. You are never ending. You have the power of the entire universe behind your back when you are pointing it towards your soul's destiny. Don't forget that. I love you so much. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you soon.